Hi guys, this is Al. I'm going to be going over the Scout and Tenderfoot knot tying requirements with you in this video. Alright, so what you'll need to tie knot is obviously rope. There are two different kinds of rope. There's rope made out of natural fiber and rope made out of synthetic fiber. To take care of your rope, because you don't want it to become frayed and ruined, you either whip the rope or fuse it. Fusing is for synthetic rope and whipping is for natural fiber rope. And I'll show you how to do whipping and fusing. So whipping is used on natural fiber rope. Now I don't have natural fiber rope with me, so I'm just going to pretend that this is natural fiber even though it's synthetic just for the sake of the video. But you're going to whip rope only if it's made out of natural fiber. So what you'll need besides the rope is also a piece of either string, twine, or you could even use dental floss. You just need something thin, and mine's about 1 foot long. So what you're going to do is take the end of the string and put it up against the frayed end of the rope like this, and you're going to hold that in place with your finger. Then you're going to make a small loop like this, and you're going to hold that on with your finger as well. Now you should have all of this end, and the other end should be short right here, and there should be a loop right here. So next what you're going to do is take the long end and wrap it around the rope. A good rule of thumb for how many times you should wrap it is the wrap should be about as thick as the rope is thick. So now I'm going to wrap this around, and I'm wrapping it around both the rope and the piece of string that is under the wraps. Now I'm just pretending here because this is synthetic rope, but just use your imagination because I don't have natural rope which this would hold together a lot better. So once you've wrapped it, you're going to take the end and put it through that loop that you made at the beginning. Pull that, and then you're going to grab the other short end and pull that through. And you're going to pull both ends tight, and then you would cut off these loose ends. That's how you fray natural fiber rope. But obviously this is synthetic rope, so it doesn't really work, but that's basically what you have to do if you had natural fiber rope. So the second way to prevent rope from becoming too frayed is to fuse it. Fusing is only done on synthetic rope like the kind I have here. So you'll need a lighter for this, and make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area because there'll be some smoke. So you're just going to get the lighter lit and put it on the frayed tip of the rope. And so the synthetic material will burn, so it'll be hot and sticky, so you're going to want to let this cool for a few minutes after fusing it. Alright, so this is what it looks like now, and there's no more frayed ends, and this method's really simple. So now that you've either whipped or fused the ends of your rope, you're ready to tie your first knot. We're going to first go over the square knot. This knot is very basic and simple, but it can still be pretty useful. So what you're going to do to tie it is take the right end of your rope and put it over the left end and put it under and pull. Then you're going to take the left end of your rope, the piece of rope in your left hand, and put it over the right end. Put it under and pull. And that's all there is to the square knot. So Keep in mind with all three of these knots that I'm going to show you, you have to say why the knot is used for part of the Scout requirements. And for Tenderfoot, you have to demonstrate a practical use of each knot. So the second knot that I'm going to be showing you how to tie is called the 2 half hitches. To tie this knot, you're going to need something to tie it around. I'm using the leg of a chair. So what you're going to do is put the rope around the thing you're tying it around and get a lot of slack in the rope. You're going to take the shorter end, put it under the longer end, and this will create a loop right here. You're going to take the shorter end that you just put under the longer end of the rope and put it through the loop and pull tight. Now you're just going to repeat this step again. You're going to take the shorter end of the rope, put it under the longer end, and then this will create a loop, and you put this end that I have in my right hand through the loop, and you pull it a second time. And that's all there is to the 2 half hitches knot. What's great about this knot is that you can adjust how big the loop is that's made, like this, and then you can just push through to make it smaller, and you could use this to drag something. Alright, so the third knot that I'm going to show you how to tie is the taut line hitch. So the first part of this knot is the exact same as the 2 half hitches. So you basically, to start off the knot, you just tie a 2 half hitches, and I've already shown you how to do that, so I'm just going to quickly tie a 2 half hitches knot, and then we'll get on to the next step. Alright, once you've tied your 2 half hitches knot, you're going to take the shorter end of the rope and put it under the longer end and put it through the loop. You're essentially just tying the 2 half hitches plus another knot, and you're going to pull that tight. It should look something like this. So what's great about the taut line hitch compared to the 2 half hitches is that with the 2 half hitches, when you pull the knot, it tends to just cinch up around whatever post you have it tied around when you pull on it. So what's great about the taut line hitch is that when you adjust it and then you pull on it, it's not going to cinch up like the 2 half hitches would. I hope this video was helpful to all of you guys that are working on Scout and Tenderfoot. Please let me know if there's anything I should do differently, and also please let me know if there's another video you want one of the troop guides to make on a requirement that you're struggling with. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.